Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my hair wash day and today I'm going to be using these products for the first time. So this is Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Wash and Jackie's Cocoa Repair and also hair moisturizer. So these are actually mainly for dry hair, so I'm gonna see how that works on my hair. So let's get started, guys. So I just took out my braids. I had it in for a few weeks, so I'm gonna start off by detangling my hair before I start washing. My hair is so thick, guys, so if I don't detangle it before washing, it gets all tangled up and it gives me so much work. So yeah, before I wash my hair, I always make sure I detangle it. So now that my hair is nice and tangled free, I'm going to go ahead and wash it with the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Wash. So after shampooing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and conditioner it. Because I just had my hair in braids, so I'm going to be mixing my conditioner with some oils so it keeps my hair nice and, you know, oiled and not dry. So in there, I put my castor oil and argan oil. And as you can see, I section my hair into small parts and I make sure that each conditioner goes into each section of my hair. Like, I'm really generous with my conditioner. If you watch my previous video, I go into details on how to condition your hair. So here I'm just gonna be parting little sections and putting the conditioner in there, and I repeat this process with the rest of my hair. And then after, I'm gonna leave it in for about 20 to 25 minutes and then I wash my hair out. So now that my hair is nice and conditioned, I'm going to be detangling it. I'm trying this brush for the first time. I got it off Amazon. Apparently it's supposed to be really good with natural hair. So far it's okay. It's a bit annoying because it opens, as you can see, so it kind of annoys me a bit, but yeah, it does the job. So yeah, as you can see, the conditioner is really nice. I've used Aunt Jackie's conditioner before. If you watch my previous wash day video, I used the conditioner and it worked really well with my hair. So yeah, this one works well with my hair as well, and I kind of like the way it makes my hair feel. So yeah, I'm just gonna brush it out, detangle it, and then I'm gonna leave it in for a few minutes. And Jackie's products works really well with my hair. As you can see, my hair looks nice and curly and so soft. So yeah, I would recommend this product for you guys, especially those with dry hair. I recommend you to go and get yourself some Aunt Jackie's product. So after washing out my conditioner, I'm going to towel dry my hair and I'm going to be putting in my black Jamaican castor oil. So yeah, I'm just going to put a generous amount in my hair. Then after, I'm going to be putting in my natural growth oil. I make this oil myself, guys, so if you need any, contact me. So yeah, I'm putting that oil in my scalp. It helps with hair growth and also it helps with dryness of hair and stuff like that. So I put it all over my scalp, and here I'm putting in the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Again, I'm really generous with my products because I don't want my hair to be crying for more when I could give it more, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna pop that in my hair and then I'm just gonna massage that through my hair, and I'm gonna give it a quick detangle. The whole idea of this brush, but if I'm honest, guys, it's so annoying to use. Like, literally it was annoying me, but the kids lost my big comb, so I had no choice than to use it. But anyway, as I said, it did the job. So here I've got some straight bits. I've never relaxed my hair, but I used to straighten it when I do weave. So I've got like straight bits on my hair. So I'm just going to trim that bit off. My whole hair needs to trim, guys, but I didn't really have time to do that on that day. So I'll probably have to trim my hair on another day. So after trimming my hair, I'm going to put in the Aunt Jackie's hair moisturizer. I'm putting a generous amount in my hair and I'm just going to massage that through my hair and make sure that each part of my hair gets moisturized. So after oiling and moisturizing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm using the Revlon One Step hair dryer. I go into details about how this hair dryer works well with my hair in my previous wash day video, so go back and watch that after this video. Guys, comment down below which hairstyle you think I'm doing next. Is it going to be hairstyle A or hairstyle B? And make sure you watch out for my next video. I'm going to be showing you what hairstyle I am doing next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.